List the top 20 facts about Elon Musk and simulation theory. ChatGPT. Elon Musk is a renowned entrepreneur and business magnate, known for his involvement in companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. Musk has been vocal about his belief in the simulation theory, which suggests that our reality might be a computer-generated simulation created by a more advanced civilization. Musk has stated that the probability of us living in a base reality is 1 in billions, and that the chance of us living in a simulated reality is higher. In a 2016 interview, Musk explained that he thinks the odds are heavily in favor of us living in a simulation because the advancements in video game technology suggest that simulated realities will become indistinguishable from real life. Musk has compared our reality to a video game and has mentioned that if we assume that there will be more games than reality, it is statistically more likely that we are in a simulation. Musk has mentioned that the simulation argument is not an original idea of his but something he finds compelling and has been pondering for some time. Despite his belief in the simulation theory, Musk has also expressed that he hopes we are living in a base reality because he finds the idea of being in a simulation unsettling. Musk has stated that if we are indeed living in a simulation, we should try to make it a good one and avoid creating dystopian scenarios or turning the simulation off by destroying ourselves. In 2020, during an appearance on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, Musk mentioned that the chances of us being in a simulation are probably very high. Musk's interest in the simulation theory has sparked debates and discussions among scientists, philosophers, and the general public. Some argue that Musk's fascination with the simulation theory stems from his background in technology and his ambition to create advanced artificial intelligence. Musk has made headlines by investing in projects such as Neuralink, a company focused on developing brain-machine interfaces, which could potentially enhance our interaction with virtual realities. Musk's companies, such as SpaceX, are heavily involved in advancing space exploration, which some speculate could be a way to gather evidence to support or disprove the simulation theory. Musk's belief in the simulation theory has been met with both support and skepticism from various communities, including scientists, theologians, and philosophers. Critics argue that the simulation theory lacks empirical evidence and is more of a philosophical concept than a scientifically testable hypothesis. Musk's public discussions about the simulation theory have brought attention to the broader concept of reality and the philosophical implications of our existence. Despite his interest in the simulation theory, Musk has also emphasized the importance of focusing on improving the present reality and addressing real-world problems. Musk has stated that even if we are living in a simulation, it shouldn't discourage us from pursuing meaningful goals and striving for progress. The idea of a simulated reality has been explored in science fiction literature, films, and video games, often raising questions about the nature of existence and consciousness. Whether or not the simulation theory holds any truth, Musk's fascination with the concept has contributed to stimulating discussions and encouraging people to contemplate the nature of reality.